So now we'll have a look at how to add a category and edit the text on that category. This is the current home page, and as you can see we've got a number of different categories listed. We've got one, for example, called Maths Preparation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Store Admin and create a new category called English Preparation. Okay, so again make sure we go to the Store Admin URL. I'm already logged in, so I've gone straight in. Click on Categories over on the left hand side. These are the categories that exist currently. Let's add a new category. And I think I said I was going to call it English Preparation. There we go. I would only select a parent category if I wanted to make this a child category and indent it slightly, create a hierarchy. I won't use that. We haven't used any images for categories in this store design, so leave that. And this is where we apply a template, and again we can leave that because otherwise it will default to the main Overschool template, which is what we want. The menu code is again what will appear in the URL, so let's call that English Prep, and it is active, and I do want to show it in the main menu. I don't need to change any more of these, this is how we could link it to a specific category. So that would mean that it would be a page linked to an existing page, and that's how we would link it to a product. So that would be a page about a particular product, but we want to keep it as a standard category page, so don't link it to another page, and it's not a web URL. Meta title, again this is really for Google purposes. That's not very well worded, but obviously you can change that as you need. English courses online, etc. Okay. Some description which will appear at the top of the category page when somebody goes into it. So let's and we don't need to worry about short description. Most of this, all of this now you can probably leave. Child categories, so if this is a high level category, for example English, and underneath that are subcategories, for example Preparation English, Advanced English, then you could leave that set on, and that would display the subcategories. Again, probably don't need to change any of these. This is set to show products, and this is set to show only products that live within this category, and probably that is all absolutely fine. Let's click on Save, and let's have a look at the store, and there we go. There's the English Preparation category, and if I click on that, there's the description. This is an empty category, so this is default information appearing here. As soon as I start to add some products, those will appear instead of that piece of text. It's worth noting the page URL has got page name equals English Prep, so it's a fairly search engine friendly page URL. If I view page source on this, I can also see that the meta keywords are as I entered, and the meta description is as I entered, and the title of the page is also as I entered, and that's important for Google. One last thing, just to show you how to edit the text of the home page. The home page is actually a category, so let's go back into administration. Let's find the home page in the category list. There it is there. So I'm in the categories area over here on the left hand side, look, and you can see that home is there. And if I go into edit the category, you can see that I can change this information here very easily. If you're using featured products, then you could check that on, and then any featured products would display. We'll do that as a separate video. Click on save, and that's done. By the way, you can reorganize these, so let's move English preparation up one. There we go. And now let's have a look at my site again. You can see English preparation has moved up, the homepage text has changed, and that's all very easy to do.